Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Gigi plant is one of the most popular indoor plants. Very low maintenance plant, but we need to be somewhat more careful while watering. The problem is they grow slowly. We need to do some other things in case we want to make them bushier in short time. In this video I am going to share a very simple thing that we can do. Here is one of my Gigi plant. Unfortunately, our Egon damaged many shoots as you can see. Plus, the pot is also very small and I need to repot it. Due to the same issue, few leaves are also getting bit yellow. The very first thing that I am going to do is pruning all the damaged branches. Some other shoots also got damaged as you can see. So getting rid of all of them. On second, going to keep all the pruning shoots in water. I am using normal tap water and please try to change the water once in 5 to 7 days. On third, it's time to repot our plant. For repotting, I am using one 6-inch wider and 6-inch deeper pot. For potting soil mix, doing it this way. Garden soil 30%, cocopeat 25%, vermicompost 25% and rest 20% perlite. Let's repot the plant very quickly and then we will see the other important things to do. It's after 45 days and let's take a look at the shoots which I kept in water. Please note I had to change the pot in the meantime. Egon have damaged the previous plastic pot once again. He is just 11 months old and do lots of nasty stuff. If you already have pets at your home, I believe you would be already knowing what I am saying. Anyway, as we can see that out of 4, 3 have produced nice roots. Please also watch very carefully. They have also produced the tubers at the end of the stem. It's important. Whenever you propagate Gigi plant in water, please wait until and unless roots are around ½ inch long and they have produced the tubers at the end. At this stage, we are safe to transplant them to the soil. But please avoid transplanting to the soil in case they haven't produced the tubers yet. Depending on your environment, timing may be different and I did everything in the month of April. One stem hasn't produced the roots yet and so going to keep it in water for some more days. But I have a doubt that it would be a success as the leaves are already turning yellow. The fourth important step. Here I am going to plant all the cuttings in the same pot. After some days, all these new cuttings are going to produce new offshoots again. So it's a simple shortcut to get a much bushier Gigi plant very fast. What's the best time to do this? Please do in spring, means from March onward. This is the time when Gigi plants produce many new offshoots. In summer also we can do this, and if the winter temperature is not too low in your place, we can even do in winter, but it would take some more time to get the result. So that's the final result. 45 days back it was something like this and now here it is. I hope you are liking the end result. I also have another video where I have provided all the details about Gigi plant care with updates. In case you want more details about how to care for Gigi plant, please do check out my next video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening a bit. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and enjoy.